Reducing stress caused by colleagues and the work itself requires a multifaceted approach. Here are several strategies you can implement. For stress due to colleagues. 1. Improve communication. Use clear and direct communication to avoid misunderstandings. Actively listen to your colleagues and express your thoughts calmly. Set boundaries on when and how you can be contacted. 2. Conflict resolution. Address conflicts early to prevent escalation. Use I statements to express how you feel without blaming others. Seek mediation if necessary from HR or a neutral third party. 3. Build positive relationships. Engage in team-building activities to foster better relationships. Show appreciation and recognition for your colleagues' efforts. Create a support network with trusted coworkers. 4. Maintain professionalism. Focus on your work and avoid office gossip. Keep interactions polite and professional. Separate your personal and professional life. For stress due to work itself. 1. Time management. Prioritize tasks using methods like the Eisenhower matrix. Break tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Use tools like calendars and to-do lists to organize your work. 2. Set realistic goals. Set achievable and realistic goals to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Break large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. 3. Take breaks. Take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Practice the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of work, followed by a 5-minute break. Use your breaks to do something relaxing or enjoyable. 4. Work-life balance. Set boundaries to ensure you have time for personal activities. Avoid checking work emails and messages outside of work hours. Engage in hobbies and activities that you enjoy outside of work. 5. Healthy lifestyle. Exercise regularly to reduce stress and improve mood. Maintain a healthy diet to keep energy levels stable. Ensure you get enough sleep to stay focused and productive. 6. Seek support. Talk to your manager about your workload and stress levels. Use employee assistance programs, EAP, if available. Consider seeking professional help from a counselor or therapist. 7. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practice mindfulness meditation to stay present and reduce anxiety. Use relaxation techniques like deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation. Engage in activities like yoga or Tai Chi. For both types of stress. 1. Positive attitude. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. Practice gratitude to maintain a positive outlook. Celebrate small victories and progress. 2. Develop resilience. Build your resilience by learning from stressful experiences. Develop problem-solving skills and coping mechanisms. Stay flexible and adaptable to change. Implementing these strategies can help you manage and reduce stress caused by colleagues and the work itself, leading to a healthier and more productive work environment.